Hello everyone. Are you tired of annoying ads popping up everywhere on your PC, in browsers, apps, YouTube, even inside games? Today I will show you a free system-wide trick to block most ads on Windows 11 without installing any software or browser extension. This method uses AdGuard DNS and it works in Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox and even Windows apps. Let's start it. First click on the start button, then click settings, then click network and internet on the left sidebar. On the right click on Wi-Fi or Ethernet. After that click on this one, hardware properties. Now beside DNS server assignment, click on this one, edit button. Now change automatic DHCP to manual. Then turn on this one IPv4 toggle switch. Here in the preferred DNS, set this one 94.140.14.14 and don't make this one DNS over HTTPS on. Keep it off. After that, under alternate DNS, type 94.140.15.15. I will put this all in this one video description, so you can copy this IP's address from there. Again, now open this one IPv6 and here paste this one preferred DNS. $2A10.50C0:AD1:FF and similarly paste here alternate DNS. Just copy and paste from this one video description. Don't turn on this one option that says DNS over HTTPS. After that click on this one save button. Now you need to restart your PC after applying these changes. Now open any browser such as Chrome, Edge, whatever you want, and after that try to visit any website you prefer. You can see there is no ads on this one website. I will show you with more pages. And I will try to open this one YouTube also. And I see if any ads are there. After restarting once, most of the ads will be disappear. I have not restarted my PC after changing this one DNS, so it's showing ads. However, after restarting, these ads will be turned off completely. I have personally checked this. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel GearUpWindows, kindly subscribe it. And if you find this video helpful, press thumbs up. Bye bye.